Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.
So now in this video I am going to start exercise 5b. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 2? Okay, so the numbers, that means in the unit digit place. First you have to find out the unit digit place. So here this one is 7. Okay, now if the unit digit place will be a even number, then it will be divisible by 2. So 7 odd number, so not divisible. 4 even number, so divisible. It also divisible, not divisible, divisible, not divisible, divisible, and the last one also divisible. So it's very easy. Now number 2, which of the following numbers are divisible by 3? Okay, so here is a rule. If the number is divisible by 3, then the sum of the digits, that means here 4 and 2 is the separate two digits. So first ever you have to find out the sum of these two digits, that means 4 plus 2, that equal to 6. And if the sum will be divisible by 3, then the whole number will be divisible by 3. So as here 4 plus 2 6 and 6 divisible by 3, that means it's divisible by 3. Second one, 7 plus 3 10. 10 is not divisible by 3. So that means 73 not divisible by 3. Last one, 9 plus 1 plus 5. Now 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 5 15. So 15 divisible by 3, that means 915 definitely divisible by 3. Now the next one, sum number 3. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 5? So here the rule is, if the unit digit of the number is 0 or 5, remember that 0 or 5, then the whole number will be divisible by 5. So as here 30, so unit digit is 0, that means 30 divisible by 5. Here 9, so not divisible by 5. Here 5, so divisible by 5. 0 divisible by 5. 5 divisible by 5. This one also divisible, this one not, and this one divisible. Now the fourth one, which of the following numbers are divisible by 9? Okay, so the number which is divisible by 9, if the sum of the digit is divisible by 9, that means the number divisible by 3, the rule for 3 and the rule for 9 will be same. In that case for 3, the sum of the digit will be divisible by 3, and in that case the sum of the digit divisible by 9. So here 3 plus 6, that means 9. So 9 divisible by 9, that means 36 divisible by 9. 9 plus 0, also 9, so it will be divisible by 9. 1 5 7, okay, so 7 5 12 plus 1 13. 13 is not divisible by 9, okay, that means here 157 not divisible by 9. Now here 7 1 9, okay, that means 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 9, so it's 17. 17 not divisible by 9. The last one, 9 plus 3 plus 6, so 9 3 12 plus 6, it's 18. 18 divisible by 9, that means 936 is also divisible by 9. Now the last one, it's very easy. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 10? So here the rule is, if the unit digit of the number is 0, if the unit digit of the number is 0, then it will be divisible by 10. So as here 75, not 0 here, so it not divisible. Divisible, 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 divisible. But here also 5, not divisible, not divisible, and the last one is divisible. So now the next exercise 5c. Replace each letter with the correct numeral. Okay, so here the numbers, you have to just replace the letters. So first one, 6 plus 2, 8. Now as here 5 means you have to let 15, this one. So 8 plus c, that equal to 15. That means 8 plus 7 equal to 15. So that one equal to 7. That means c equal to 7. Now the next one, as here carry 1, so it will be 7 plus 1, 8. Okay. Now 8 plus 5, it will be what? 13. Okay. Then 13 plus d, that equal to 7. 7 means 17. So 13 plus 4, that equal to 17. So that equal to d equal to 4. Now again carry 1, so it will be 9. So 9 plus 2, that means 11. So 11 plus a, that equal to 7. Now 11 plus 6, that equal to 17. So a equal to 6. Now again carry 1, so it will be 5. So 9 plus 5, okay, that will be 14. So 14 plus b, that equal to 17. Now 14 plus 3 equal to 17. So that's why b equal to 3. And here carry 1, that means e equal to 1. Okay, so I repeat, e equal to 1, B equal to 3, A equal to 6, C equal to 7 and D equal to 4. Now number 2, A24752B7 and here 1CDE. So before I am going to solve this problem, I just want to tell you that the answer which I am giving to you is not one and only solution. Okay, there might be different solution. So you can solve it in different way and the answer may be vary. So as here 6 minus 7, okay, so that means you have to carry 1 from here, that means here 4 will be 3 and it will be 16. So this one equal to 3 and this one equal to 16. Now 16 minus 7, that equal to 9. So E equal to 9. Now next one, 2 minus 2. Okay, as 2 minus 2, that equal to 0. So here C might be 0. Now next one, here 5 and here 1. That means 6 minus 5, that equal to 1. So A equal to 6. So C equal to 0, A equal to 6. Now as here 3, so now B and D, that means 3 subtract from here and it will be D. So here might be if 3 minus 0, then it will be 2. If 3 minus 1, then it will be 2. If 3 minus 3, then it will be 0. That's why I told you that this is not the one and only solution. You can solve it in different way and you will get different answer. Now the third one, 1 2A and B 1 5. So here first 5 into A, that equal to 5. So that means here the value of A equal to 1 or 5, because 5 ones are 5 and 5 fives are 25. So if 5 ones are 5, that means here carry equal to 0. So 5 into 2, that becomes 10, but here 2. Okay, that means here A not equal to 1. So 5 fives are 25 and carry equal to 2. So 5 to the 10 plus 2, that becomes 2. Okay, so it means A equal to 5. Now next one, so 5 to the 10 carry 2, that means 12. So 5 ones are 5 and 1 carry, that equal to 6. So here C equal to 6. A equal to 5, C equal to 6. Now next one, 1 into 5, 5. So it becomes 5. 1 into 2, it becomes 2. And 1 into 1, it becomes 1. So this one 5, this one 2, this one 1. Clear? So now here B into A. Okay, and as A equal to 5, so B into 5. So if B equal to 2, then B into 8 becomes 0, that means 10. And if B equal to 4, so 4 into 5 becomes 20. But here B into 1, that equal to 2. That means you can clearly say that B equal to 2, because 2 into 1, it becomes 2. So value of B equal to 2. Now next, 5 0 0. If you add these three number, it will be 5. So here J equal to 5. Next, as F equal to 5, so 5 plus 2, 7. So K equal to 7. Then third, C equal to 6. And E equal to here 2. So 6 plus 2, that becomes 8. Okay. Now next, here D. Okay. And D equal to 1. Okay. And here 6. So 1 plus 5, that becomes 6. That means G equal to 5. And the last one, as 2 is here, so H means also 2. So here H equal to 2. So I repeat, A equal to 5, B equal to 2, C equal to 6, D equal to 1, E equal to 2, F equal to 5. G equal to 5, H equal to 2, K equal to 2 7 and J equal to 5. Number 4, 37 divided by A51 and it's 740. Okay, so 740. Now here 1 minus 0, that becomes 0. Sorry, 1. Okay, that means here D equal to 1. Next, 5 minus 4, that equal to 1. So here also C equal to 1. And as here A minus 7 equal to 1, then definitely A equal to 8. So A equal to 8, C equal to 1, D equal to 1. Now the next one. As the whole number subtracted, this whole number subtracted from this one, that means 1 1 1 and that equal to 0, that means definitely here E F G means 1 1 1. Because whenever you subtract the same number from the same number, it will be 0. So as this one equal to 1 1 1, so this one equal to also 1 1 1. Okay, so here A equal to 8, C equal to 1, D equal to 1, and also E, F, G 1 1 1. Now sum number 2. What should come in the place of the question mark in the following number series? Okay, now it's a very tricky question, as here 563, 582, 620, 677. So first you have to subtract 563 from 582 and it becomes 19. Clear? Next you have to subtract 582 from 620 and that equal to 38. Now next one, 620 minus 677 and that equal to 57. Okay, so that means here first one the difference equal to 19, second one the difference equal to 38, third one the difference equal to 57. That means the difference is the multiple of 19. The difference is the multiple of 19. Okay, so that means in this way, here 19 the difference, here 38 the difference, here 57 is the difference. That means next one will be 19 into 4, so here 76 is the difference. So after that 19 into 5, okay, so 19 into 5 that equal to 95. So 95 is the next difference. Now the last one, the question mark, and that will be 19 into 6, that means 114. So if you add 114 with 848, it becomes 962. So here in the question mark the answer will be 962. Now number 2, the last one, 17, after that 17, okay, then 51. Now 51 is the multiple, the third multiple, that means 17 into 3 it becomes 51. So here 17 into 1 it becomes 1. Okay, that means these two number here the multiple of 17. Now next one, 17 into 3 that equal to 51. Now here the next one, if you multiply 5 with this number, you will get 255. Okay, then if you multiply this number with 7, you will get 1785. That means here the order is, that means first one you have to multiply with 1, second one you have to multiply with 3, third one you have to multiply with 5. That means only the odd number. Okay, listen very carefully. Each and every number are the odd number. Whenever you multiply the number to get the previous one, sorry, the next one, you have to just multiply with the odd number. So first odd number 1, second odd number 3 and you get 51, third odd number 5 you will get 255, next odd number 7 you will get 1785, then the third odd number will be 9. Okay, next one is 9 and you will get 16055. Now next, after 9 the next odd number is 11. That means here you have to multiply 16065 with 11 and the answer is 176715. 176715.